Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you thought DJI was slowing down after the Osmo Action 5 Pro launch, think again. Fresh leaks and insider reports suggest that the DJI Osmo Action 6 is already on the horizon. The world of action cameras is fiercely competitive, with GoPro, Insta360, and even high-end smartphone cameras constantly pushing the envelope. So, is DJI moving too fast with another release? Or does the Osmo Action 6 pack have enough upgrades to make it a must-have? Let's dive deep into the leaks, expected features, release timeline, and whether it's worth the hype. DJI Osmo Action 6. Leaks, speculations and certification filings. While official announcements remain under wraps, regulatory certifications often provide early clues about upcoming tech. The FCC and SGS filings have recently listed a new DJI device, which many experts believe to be the Osmo Action 6. Interestingly, the certification labels the device simply as DJI Osmo Action 6, with no mention of the Pro tag. This raises speculation about DJI's naming strategy. Could this mean a shift in branding? Are we seeing a standard version first, with a Pro model to follow later? DJI historically maintains a short gap between regulatory filings and product launches. If past trends hold, we could see an official unveiling of the Osmo Action 6 as early as Q1 2025. Given that the Osmo Action 5 Pro is still fresh in the market, it's fair to wonder, why the rush? Is DJI reacting to GoPro's aggressive updates? Or is this simply an iterative upgrade rather than a revolutionary leap? Battery and variants. Standard and Pro models? One of the most notable findings from the filings is the presence of two battery capacities: 1770 mAh and 1950 mAh. This strongly suggests that two versions of the Osmo Action 6 could be in the pipeline. A budget-friendly compact model with a 1770 mAh battery, aimed at casual users who want a reliable action cam without high-end frills. A high-performance Pro variant retaining the 1950 mAh battery from the Action 5 Pro, likely featuring extended endurance and advanced video capabilities. This move would make sense, considering DJI's strategy of appealing to different segments. By offering both an affordable and a high-end model, they could expand their user base while maintaining their reputation for premium action cameras. Connectivity upgrades and wireless performance. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to include Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi. While these are standard features at this point, they ensure faster, more stable file transfers and seamless integration with DJI's mobile apps. The question remains, will DJI introduce enhanced live streaming capabilities or direct cloud uploads to compete with GoPro's cloud-based ecosystem? If they do, that could be a game-changer for vloggers and live-action content creators. What DJI needs to improve? Key areas of focus. The Osmo Action 5 Pro was well received, but it had its share of criticisms. Here are the areas where DJI must step up its game. 1. Low light performance. Action cameras often struggle in low light conditions, and DJI has yet to perfect this aspect. A larger sensor or improved image processing could significantly enhance nighttime footage, making it a major selling point. 2. Higher resolutions and frame rates. GoPro continues to push the boundaries of 4K and 5.3K recording. If DJI wants to stay competitive, they must match or surpass 4K at 120 frames per second or introduce 6K recording with higher bit rates for professional-grade footage. 3. Advanced stabilization. DJI's rock-steady stabilization has been a strong competitor to GoPro's Hypersmooth and Insta360's Flow State, but there's always room for improvement. Can they introduce an AI-assisted stabilization mode or better gyro-based horizon leveling? If they do, it could set the Osmo Action 6 apart from the competition. 4. Design, durability and form factor. While DJI's action cameras are already rugged and compact, minor tweaks could enhance usability. Potential upgrades include improved waterproofing for deeper dives without requiring an external case, lighter build without compromising battery life, stronger lens protection to withstand extreme sports and rugged environments. Price strategy. How will DJI position the Osmo Action 6? If DJI follows its usual pricing model, the Osmo Action 6 will likely be priced just below GoPro's flagship standard model. Expected price range $300 to $350. Pro model. Potential price $450 to $500, competing directly with GoPro's Hero lineup. Pricing will be a crucial factor in determining the success of the Osmo Action 6. If DJI can justify the price hike with substantial improvements, they might dominate the action camera space. However, if it turns out to be just a minor refresh, users might opt for discounted older models or rival cameras. Competition and market positioning. The action camera market is evolving, and DJI faces stiff competition from GoPro Hero 12 of 13, the undisputed leader in action cameras. Insta360 modular cameras, offering unique 360-degree and modular systems. Smartphones, with improving stabilization and 4K capabilities, many casual users may skip action cams altogether. To carve out its niche, DJI needs to bring something truly innovative. Perhaps an AI-powered shooting mode, superior battery efficiency, or new smart tracking features. Accessories and external audio. A make-or-break factor. One often overlooked aspect of action cameras is accessory compatibility. Will the Osmo Action 6 feature an improved magnetic mounting system? Better external mic support for content creators? More modular add-ons for enhanced versatility? If DJI nails these aspects, they could attract GoPro users looking for a more adaptable ecosystem. Final thoughts. Should you be excited? The DJI Osmo Action 6 is coming, and while leaks hint at meaningful upgrades, we still have to ask, is this a true next-gen leap or just an incremental update? Is it worth upgrading if you already own an Osmo Action 5 Pro? Will DJI introduce any groundbreaking features to shake up the industry? We'll have to wait for the official announcement to get the full picture. Until then, let me know your thoughts in the comments. What features do you want to see? Are you excited about the Osmo Action 6? Let's discuss. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest tech updates. See you in the next one.